Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at Kogor.com, an online store that sells hoodies and claims their pieces are limited edition. Because nothing says high fashion exclusivity like a website you've never heard of. They promise that once these items are gone, they won't be restocked, which sounds tempting until you realize the only thing limited here might be your chances of actually receiving a package. Let's break down why this platform is more fiction than fashion. First off, their registration details are a bit of a sci-fi mystery. The website was supposedly created in July 2025, yet their terms of service page claims an effective date of January 2025. Apparently, these scammers have mastered time travel, setting up legal documents months before the site even existed. That isn't just a typo. It's a glaring red flag that suggests the creators can't even keep their own lies straight. Then there are the deals that are almost too good to be true. Every single product is marked down by 70 to 75%, with a countdown claiming the offer is only for today. They throw in every marketing buzzword imaginable, from low stock to exclusive deals. It is a classic high-pressure tactic designed to make you panic buy before your brain has a chance to catch up. If a site is perpetually having a going out of business level sale, it's usually because their entire business model is a fantasy. The product images don't help their case either. A quick check reveals that their unique photos were actually stolen from other websites. This means they likely don't have their own inventory or even a camera. Scam sites do this constantly. They grab pretty pictures online to look legitimate, but they'll never actually ship what you see. You're basically paying for a JPEG that you'll never get to wear. Customer support is another ghost town. The only way to reach them is through a generic email address. No phone number, no live chat, and certainly no physical address. If your order goes missing into the digital void, good luck getting a response. Real businesses actually want to be found, while scammers prefer to remain as reachable as a submarine with a broken radio. To top it off, this fashion brand has zero social media presence. In 2025, a clothing line without an Instagram or Facebook page is practically a myth. While their own website is filled with glowing, repetitive reviews that were clearly written by the same bored bot, third-party sites like Trustpilot and Reddit have absolutely nothing. It's a total vacuum of credibility. So is Kogor.com legit? Between the time-traveling registration, the stolen images, and the non-existent support, this place is a textbook scam. It's not just a red flag, it's a whole parade of them. My advice is to stay far away and protect your hard-earned cash. Thanks for sticking around until the end. And if you want to avoid being the next victim of a limited edition disaster, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next update.